Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing exercise 14.3. Okay, so we have already done sum number 1 and it's 6 parts as well. And today we are going to start with the second sum of the same exercise, that is 14.3. Okay, so I'll just give you a recall. So what we were doing in our previous sessions. So in previous session we were doing the parameter, how to find the parameter of a given figure. Okay, so figure should be made up if the figure is made up of line segment. If it is a closed figure made up with the help of line segments, okay, so we have to calculate its parameter. So how you are going to calculate the parameter of the given figure? Okay, so already we have done 6 parts of the sum number 1, and today we are going to start with the second sum of the same exercise, that is exercise 14.3. So class, hurry up. Open your books as well as your notebooks along with the pencils and the geometry box. So you must be having the scale and you must be having the okay, you need a scale only. Okay, so you just draw all the diagrams with the help of pencil only. Okay, so pencil की help से आप बनाएंगे diagrams जितनी भी आपको बनानी है. Okay, so let's begin with question number 2 of exercise 14.3. That is exercise 14.3. 9. Okay, now the question number 2 was, find the perimeter of triangles whose sides are. Okay, so the A part is 16 centimeter, 16 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Second one is 18 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter. ओके तो देखिए हमारे इसमें हमें ऑलरेडी द फिगर नहीं दी हुई है, बट द मेजरमेंट and the name of the figure is given. That जो figure है that is in triangle shape. Okay, so then the question it is given that there is a figure who is in triangular shape and the measurements of its 3 sides. As you know, the triangle is of a triangle has 3 sides. तो triangle की कितनी sides होती हैं? 3. Okay, so in this question they have given us the measurements of the of a triangle and its sides. Okay, so first of all we are going to draw the triangles of question number 2. So the question number is 2. Okay, so class देखिए find the perimeter of the triangles whose sides are. तो यहाँ पे triangles जिसको बोला है तो वो 2 parts है, उनकी बात हो रही है. So first of all we are going to start with the A part. So in the A part, the measurement of the triangle is 16 centimeter, 16 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So that means just तीनों की तीनों sides क्या है? Equal. So all the 3 sides of the given triangle is equal. Okay, so I'm just going to draw the triangle here. This is a triangle. Okay, so देखिए अब already sides इसकी दी हुई है, तीनों की तीनों equal है. तो ऐसे बनाएं कि जैसे लगे कि तीनों साइड इसकी इक्वल है. ओके, दिस इज द ट्राइंगल. नाउ 16 सेंटीमीटर, 16 सेंटीमीटर एंड 16 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज द मेजरमेंट दैट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन योर बुक. नाउ अभी देखिए हमने जब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के बाकी 6 पार्ट्स किए थे उस टाइम मैंने आपको बताया था, सपोज द फिगर इज गिवन एंड द मेजरमेंट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. ओके, बट और कुछ नहीं दिया तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? वी जस्ट नेम द फिगर. सो बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन ओनली द मेजरमेंट वॉज गिवन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? वी आर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू नेम दिस फिगर. सबसे पहले हम इसको नेम देंगे. ओके, सो वॉट एवर नेम यू फील लाइक दे सकते हैं और देना चाहते हो, यू कैन गिव टू दिस triangle. So I am giving it PQR. So this is the name of the triangle, that is triangle PQR. Okay, now What is the question that we have to find the perimeter of this given triangle. हमें क्या करना था, इस triangle जो हमारे पास दिया है, that is जिसको हमने PQR दिया, the name of the triangle is triangle PQR, and we have to find the perimeter of this triangle. So perimeter of triangle PQR, not ABC, it is PQR. तो हमने इस फिगर को क्या नाम दिया है, PQR. So this is the name of the figure. So perimeter of the triangle PQR, that we have to find out. Okay, so the perimeter कैसे निकालते हैं? So for finding the perimeter of any closed figure, we have to add the length of all the line segments of the given figure. तो जो भी फिगर दी है उसकी जितनी भी लाइन सेगमेंट्स है उनकी लेंथ को हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड. And after adding the length of all the line segments of the given figure, you can easily find the perimeter of the given figure or the given triangle. So what are the various length of this triangle? तो ये जो हमारे पास triangle दी है तो इसकी various length of sides, sorry not length, sides. So what is the length of sides? So जो इसके अलग अलग sides हैं या line segments हैं जो इस figure में use हुई हैं तो उनकी length क्या है? So length of the sides. So as you can see that PQ is 16, QR is also 16 and RP is also 16. So all the three sides are 16 centimeter only. Okay, so first of all we are going to write the name. So perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. Okay, now we have to write their measurements. So now we are going to write the measurements of these three lines. PQ is 16 centimeter, QR is also 16 centimeter, and RP is also 16 centimeter. So all the three sides are 16. So now we are going to add them all. Okay, so you can, if you know the table of 16, you can just do that, or you can just do the addition in the graph. Okay, so this is the rough work I am doing here. After that I will erase it. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 6, sorry, 12 plus 6 is 18. 1 will be carried here. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So the answer is 48. So this is the answer, that is 48 centimeter. This is 48 centimeter. So it was in the rough, so I have erased it. Okay, so 16 plus 16 plus 16, that is 48. And the measurement was given in centimeter, so that's why we have written the measurement in the centimeter only. So the answer is 48 centimeter. So what is this? ये 48 centimeter क्या है? This 48 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle PQR. So at last you will write a solution sentence. Therefore, perimeter of triangle PQR is 48 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the triangle PQR is 48 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of A part of question number 2. So in the question, the shape of the figure is given, that is triangle, and the measurements of all the three sides of the triangle was also given, that was 16 from the three sides only. Now the question was that we have to find the perimeter. So for finding the perimeter of any figure, we have to add the length of all the sides of that particular figure. Okay, so what that we have done here also. So after adding all the three sides, length of all the three sides of the given triangle, we got the answer, that is 48 centimeter. So this 48 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle PQR. Therefore, perimeter of triangle PQR is 48 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution of A part. So you can just pause your video here and write it down. Okay. Now let's move to the B part of the same sum number 2. Okay. अब हम इसके B part की तरफ मूव करते हैं. So, sum number 2, B part. So, in the B part, देखिए question वही है. Okay, the question is same, that find the perimeter of the triangles whose sides are. So, again in the B part, we are talking about a triangle. But उसकी जो measurements है, the 3 sides की जो measurement है, वो हमें दी है जो कि अलग है. Okay, so the measurements of all the 3 sides of the B part B is 18 centimeter, 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड अगेन 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये जो 20 हमारे पास पार्ट है सेम नंबर 2 का, तो उसमें जो ट्राइंगल है उसकी साइड्स हैं 18 सेंटीमीटर, 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो दैट मीन्स 2 sides of the triangle is equal, okay, and one is different. So let's draw the triangle first. That is 20 centimeter. It is also 20 centimeter and it is 18 centimeter. So this is the measurement of the triangle that is given in the B part of question number 2. Now again we have to find the perimeter. So before finding the perimeter of the given triangle with the measurement, we have to give the name. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? Whenever the question is given, the first step we do is we give the name. If the name is already given, तो हम उसको कुछ नहीं देंगे. But as you can see, there is no name for this triangle. So first of all, we are going to name it. Okay? So just let's name it. Okay, so I'll just कोई भी XYZ. So now we are going to name it as XYZ. The name of this triangle is XYZ. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. XYZ. So this is the name of the triangle. तो देखिए जो मर्जी नाम आप चाहें बेटा, जो चाहते हैं आप वो नेम दे सकते हैं. दैट्स नॉट एन इशू कि आपको उसको वही नाम देना है या कुछ भी नाम नहीं दे सकते. सो यू कैन गिव एनी नेम टू द ट्राइंगल वट एवर यू विश. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर. सो perimeter of triangle. So ये perimeter कौन से triangle का है? What is the name? That is XYZ. Perimeter of triangle XYZ. XYZ. Perimeter of triangle XYZ is equal to. So again, so what is the formula for calculating the perimeter of a figure? किसी भी फिगर का अगर हमें पैरीमीटर निकालना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम उसकी जितनी भी साइड्स हैं, ऑल द साइड्स ऑफ द गिवन फिगर, उसकी साइड्स की जितनी भी लेंथ है, जितनी भी 1 हो 2 सॉरी 3 हो 4 हो, देखिए द फिगर शुड बी क्लोज फिगर. सो क्लोज फिगर के लिए 2 लाइन्स कैन मेक अ क्लोज फिगर. 3 और मोर देन 3 लाइन्स कैन मेक अ क्लोज फिगर. लाइन सेगमेंट्स 3 or more than 3 line segments can make a closed figure. So for that we have to add, for finding the perimeter of the given figure, हमें क्या करना होगा? We have to add all the length of all the line segments that are drawn in that closed figure. So उनकी जो लेंथ है उसकी सबको हम क्या करेंगे? Add. Okay, so in this it is 20, 20 and 18. So this is the different length. So first of all we are going to write the name of the line segments that are drawn in this figure. तो इसमें जो अलग अलग line segments हैं उनकी name क्या है? देखिए XY, YZ and ZX. Okay, so we are going to XY plus YZ plus ZX. So these are the three various line segments that are drawn, that has जिसकी वजह से हमारा फिगर है जो बनी है. So this is the name that we have given to this triangle. Now we are going to add the measurements. XY is 20 centimeter plus YZ. This is YZ and YZ is 18 centimeter plus ZX. The third one is ZX. क्या है ZX? So what is the measurement of ZX? That is 20 centimeter. Okay. So now we are going to add. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसकी जितनी भी measurements है उसको हम क्या करेंगे, add. Okay, so we are going to add the measurements. So you can directly say 20 plus 20, 40 plus 18, that will be 58. Or you can do the addition in the rough. If you find any difficulty in addition, तो आप उसको rough में भी करके देख सकते हैं. So let's add it. 20 plus 18 plus 20. So now let's add them all. 0 plus 8, 0 plus 0, 8. So that will be 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So the answer is 58. So here we will write 58. The question was given in the unit कौन सी थी वहाँ पे? That is centimeter. So you will write it centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle XYZ is 58 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle XYZ is 58 centimeter. Therefore, क्या लिखेंगे? Therefore, perimeter of triangle XYZ is 58 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of triangle XYZ is 58 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the given triangle. Again in the B part, figure भी नहीं दी थी, name भी नहीं दिया था, only the measurement was given and it was said that this is the measurement of a triangle. ना हमें name दिया हुआ था, ना हमें figure की shape दी हुई थी, sorry ना figure बनी हुई दी हुई थी, but the shape of the figure was told कि shape क्या है उसकी, triangle. तो triangle हम सबको पता है, triangle is made up of 3 line segments. So हमने क्या किया? So first of all we have made the figure ourselves only. Okay. Then the measurement was already given. The measurement of the triangle was already given. So the measurement of the triangle was 20, 20 and 18. So उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए we have just drawn a draw figure here. Okay, so with the different measurement, that is 20 centimeter, again 20 centimeter and that is 18 centimeter. Okay, तो अब हमने figure भी draw कर ली, उसकी measurements भी लिख ली. But the foremost step after this, so the next step is after this is that we have to name the figure. So अब हमें क्या करना है? First of all, we will give the name to the figure. So we have named it as XYZ. So this is triangle XYZ. तो देखिए बेटा, पिछले सम में मैंने P क्या हुआ और उससे पहले कुछ और. So अलग अलग सम में आप जो मर्जी ले सकते हैं. अगर आप सब में सेम लोगे, that is also okay. But okay तो है, but it's better that you always use the different names. ठीक है, घर में अगर सारे बच्चे एक ही नाम के होंगे, अगर सबका नाम ही घर में आंचल होगा, तो how my parents are going to call? They will call my brother as also, my sister as आंचल, मेरी मम्मी का नाम भी आंचल. So is it possible to call all the members of your family with the single name? No. So just like that, so you have to name it in the different, with the different alphabets. So that's why I have named it as XYZ. Now the question was that you have to find the perimeter. हमें क्या निकालना था? उसका perimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle XYZ that we have to find out. So that I have done here. So for finding the perimeter of the triangle XYZ, we have to add the length of all the line segments of the given figure. So जितनी भी line segments हैं उनकी length को हमें क्या करना होगा? Add. So XY plus YZ, that ZX. So we have added all the length of all the 3 sides. तो देखिए उसकी लेंथ XY की थी 20 सेंटीमीटर, YZ was 18, centimeter and zx was 20 centimeter. So after adding the length of all these three line segments, we got the answer, that is 58 centimeter. So the question is perimeter. So this is the answer, that is perimeter of the triangle XYZ is 58 centimeter. I hope that this is clear to you all, that how you are going to find the perimeter if an equation with the measurement was given. तो देखिए measurement जब तक नहीं होगी, you are not, देखिए नाम नहीं दिया होगा, you can name it. If the shape of जो figure है वो बनी हुई नजर नहीं आएगी, you can make it yourself. But if the measurement of the figure is not given, nobody is going to find, and nobody is able to find the पैरीमीटर और द एरिया, जो भी आपसे पूछा जाए आप नहीं ढूंढ पाएंगे. सो जब तक आपको मेजरमेंट ना दी हो, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू फाइंड इट्स पैरामीटर. ओके, सो दिस इज द बी पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. यू कैन जस्ट पॉज योर वीडियो हियर एंड राइट इट डाउन. चलिए, लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. This is the next question, that is question number 3. The question number 3 is the length and breadth of a rectangles are given, find the perimeter. तो देखिए जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में हमें ट्राइंगल्स, दो ट्राइंगल्स, अलग अलग ट्राइंगल्स की हमें मेजरमेंट्स दी हुई थी. So just like in question number 3, the measurements of a rectangle, two rectangles. Okay, the measurement of two rectangles are given. दो अलग अलग rectangle हैं, उनकी measurements दी हुई है. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to find the perimeter. Okay, so the length and the breadth of the rectangles are given below. Find the perimeter. So देखिए, the first one is length is 250 meter. एंड ब्रेड्थ इज 180 मीटर. ओके, तो देखिए लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ दी है. अब आप कहोगे मैम रेक्टेंगल में 4 साइड्स होती हैं. ओके, सो देखिए क्वेश्चन हम ड्रॉ करते करते आपको समझाएंगे. ए, ओके, सो द लेंथ ऑफ दिस a rectangle is 250 meter and the breadth is 180 meter. Length and breadth दी हुई है. Okay, now but we are having the 4 sides here. So what about the other two? So देखिए rectangle में क्या होता है? In the rectangle the two opposite sides are equal. So the measurement of two opposite sides is equal. So we are going to name it as, so उसी के हिसाब से हम इसी क्या लिखेंगे, measurement. So ये अगर 250 मीटर है, definitely the opposite side this will also be 250 meter. Next, if this is 180 meter and this one will also be 180 meter only. 180 meter. Now this is the measurement that we have written. Now what is the next step? The next step is that we have to name this figure. सबसे पहले हम इसको क्या नाम देंगे? We are going to name it. Okay, so let's name it as EFGH. EFGH. This is the name of this figure. तो मैंने अब इसको क्या नाम दिया? EFGH. Okay. So the name of this figure is EFGH. So this is the name of this rectangle. Now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle EFGH. So perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So in spite of writing it here, I will write it down. Perimeter of rectangle EFGH. Perimeter of rectangle EFGH. ओके, वो हम निकालेंगे. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द पैरामीटर? Okay, so for finding the perimeter of any figure, any closed figure, you have to simply add the length of all the line segments. तो इसमें जितनी भी line segments है. So in this question you can see there are 4 line segments, that is EF, FG, GH and HE. So this is the name of all the 4 line segments of this given figure. So what we are going to do is we are going to add the measurement of all these 4 line segments. So first of all we are going to write their names. So अलग जो जितनी भी line segments है, what are their names? We are going to write that thing first one. So then starting with the first, that is EF plus FG. Next is FG plus GH. Next is GH plus HE. The last is HE. Okay, so I'll just write it again. वहाँ पर थोड़ा congested हो गया. Okay, that is EF plus FG plus GH plus HE. So these are the various 4 line segments that are being used for drawing this, जो कि use हुई हैं for drawing this rectangle. So what are their various measurements? Now we are going to write their measurements. EF is 250 meter. Question मीटर में है, ये बात याद रखिएगा. कोई भी यूनिट, जो भी यूनिट होगी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. Next is FG. FG is 180 meter plus GH. So GH is 250 meter plus HE. HE is 180 meter. So this is the measurement of all the 4 line segments of the given figure. So now the next step is that we have to add their measurements. So now you can add their measurements in the rough. Okay, so that's what I am doing here. That is 250 plus 180 plus 250 plus 180. चलिए 180 को मुंह पर लिख देंगे, तो एक ही बात है. So let's add them all. 0, 8 plus 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 8 that is 26. 6 will be here, 2 will be carried here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 860 meter. क्वेश्चन हमारा किसमें था? मीटर में. So the answer will also be in the meter only. So that will be 860 meter. Okay, so what is this? ये 860 meter क्या है? So 860 meter is the perimeter of the given rectangle EFGH. So at last we are going to write therefore perimeter of rectangle EFGH is how much? That is 860 meter, and that is full stop. So this is the perimeter of the given rectangle. तो देखिए एक rectangle की length और breadth दी हुई थी. So first of all we have drawn the figure here, that rectangular shape. Okay, and after that we have written their measurements. So two opposite sides are equal of a rectangle. So दोनों के opposite sides की measurements भी obviously that will be equal. So that's what we have done here. After that we have given it a name. So first next is that we have named the figure, that is EFGH. Okay. After that we have applied the formula that how to find the perimeter of the rectangle EFGH. So by adding the length of all the line segments of the given figure, you can find its perimeter. So that's what I have done here. So after adding all the four sides, we got the length of all the four sides of the given figure. We got 860 meters. So what is it? So this 860 meter is the perimeter of this given of this question sum. So this is the A part of question number 3. So you can just pause it here and write it down in your notebooks. Okay. So this was the A part of question number 3 of exercise 14.3. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.